Smudging is a traditional practice that involves burning herbs or sacred plants to cleanse and purify a space. It is believed to clear negative energy and promote positive vibes. The most commonly used herb for smudging is white sage. But other herbs like Palo Santo, cedar, or sweetgrass can also be used. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to smudge your home. Gather your supplies. You'll need a smudge stick bundle of dried herbs tied together, a heat-resistant container like an abalone shell or a ceramic bowl, and a lighter or matches. Ensure you have a window or door slightly open to allow the smoke to escape. Set your intention. Before you start smudging, take a moment to set your intention for the smudging ritual. You can say a prayer, focus on positive thoughts, or visualize the negative energy leaving your home and being replaced with positive energy. Start in a central location. Begin at the front door or a central point in your home. Light the smudge stick with the lighter or matches and allow it to catch fire for a few seconds before gently blowing out the flame. The herbs should smolder and produce smoke. Walk clockwise around your home. Hold the smudge stick over the heat-resistant container to catch any falling embers. Begin walking around your home in a clockwise direction, moving from room to room. Make sure to smudge all corners, doorways, and windows. If there are areas in your home that feel particularly heavy or have a lot of negative energy, spend more time smudging in those areas. You can also say affirmations or prayers while smudging to reinforce positive energy. As you smudge, pay attention to your intuition and feelings. If you sense that certain areas need more attention, spend extra time there until you feel a sense of clarity and lightness. Once you have smudged your entire home, return to the starting point and carefully extinguish the smudge stick in the heat-resistant container. You can press the smudge stick against the container's surface or use a bit of water to ensure it is entirely extinguished. After smudging, allow the smoke to dissipate and ventilate your home by opening doors and windows. The negative energy will leave through the open space, making way for positive energy to flow in. Remember that smudging is a sacred practice in various cultures, so it's essential to approach it with respect and mindfulness. If you are sensitive to smoke or have respiratory issues, consider using alternative methods such as smudge sprays or diffusing essential oils with cleansing properties. If you enjoyed, please like and follow. Thank you for watching.